And let's take a look at the old syllabus and the new syllabus first. And what question to us as well right now in the new syllabus, it is 2021, is new syllabus, and the old syllabus is starting from 2020 onwards. So what you can see is that basically now if you're taking your Math AAHL, it is more or less likely to be your Math HL in the old syllabus. So now that's very important for you to know it, because if you are going to score a 7, you are going to do past paper. And how many years of past paper you do will actually distinguish a good or a not very good student. And AASL, you will see that AASL is more likely to be the old Math SL. Now, here you will see that AI is a little bit tricky to study. If you're going to find more past paper, AI, you can find an old past paper from SD, but not all. So which means if you are going to start your AI practice, you do the math studies past paper in the old one, plus you need to do some of the math SL. So that is why all the AI students, they will say that, oh, it is not easy for me to find enough past paper, because all the past paper, they actually split it into two parts, Inside Math SL and Math Studies, what IB always like to trick the student. So which means IB always like to do a mixed topic question. And that is what their purpose wants you to understand the questions behind. A good way to let you to understand is that, oh, mix different type of questions. So this is always happening. This is a characteristic of all the level 7 questions. So which means all the hard questions. And the last one is real life problem solving. Now this one is more in the AI. So AI, as you can see, the name is application. So which means you will have a lot of daily life application questions. If you're doing AISL, there's 6 subtopics inside. Which 6? Okay, so now what is the approach is that? Firstly, you know that it is like a mind map. So let me open a page to start. For example, if you want to study function, ask yourself first, what is the subtopic inside? How many subtopic inside? There's 11 according to the syllabus. For example, there's a subtopic called composite function. Everyone learned composite function, right? Something like this. And now, another thing about the composite function is that how difficult can the composite function be? Okay, so which means for each subtopic, you're going to search in the database. The database is past paper. So which means or past paper, similar type of past paper questions to talk about. Okay, now I'm just asking you, you can think about it. I will show you with some example. Well, in the syllabus, function, if I'm picking about this subtopic, a very simple composite function. So composite function can be written like this in the IB, but they are actually the same. Okay, now how can IB ask this subtopic? Okay, it seems like very easy. So now I'm going to show you how you're going to think in depth. So which means that, oh, for this subtopic, is there any easy questions that I have tried? How about medium question? What is a hard question that I have tried with this subtopic? And then the next question is that, any mixed type question that I can try? So now if you can answer to yourself for each subtopic with 1, 2, 3, 4, these 4 questions, which means that you actually finish that subtopic. Now, that is a way that I will share to help you to finish the study, because math is actually a pretty general topic. You never know when you have finished. So I see a lot of students, they're very, very hardworking. Okay, they keep doing the past paper, which is very good. And they have done like 5 years of past paper, 6 years, 7 years. Okay, I've done so many past paper, but are you ready? How do you guarantee that you're ready for the exam? Let's say function. So now, if you use this logic to subdivide a big topic into small topic, I will tell you how many small topic and where to find all the small topic later. Okay, so if you subdivide all of them into one subtopic, and each subtopic, ask yourself, have I encountered any easy past paper question? Any medium past paper question? Any hard past paper question? Any mixed topic questions, if all of them, all 4 questions is a tick, which means you have finished revising that subtopic.